Ooh, satisfying shoulder adjustment. Goes in with the thoracic. Ooh, he just pulled her neck. That's too much force. He moved her like 6 or 7 inches off of the table. That was wild. Ooh, he just punched the dude in the back. That dude is huffing and puffing. All right, and I don't know where this is. Ooh, he's going ahead and like punched her. He just hit her. Hit her with a wooden peg right to the back. Oh, wooden peg to the lower back. Oh, this guy again. He's just like punching people in the back. The guy's like, it hurts. He's like, I don't care. Just lay down. I'm gonna help you. He's wearing a glove too to like protect his own hand. So this vocal cord adjustment. Oh man, this guy is a DJ sound machine. No, you can't pop a vocal cord, man. This is so fake. So fake. Fake. Man. This guy. Yeah, no. I hope he's really helping these people, but this sound effects is not a good thing. There's no joint there to cavitate. Ooh. Good form, good technique. Hit the thumb. Ooh. That was loud. He got a lot of pop out of that. Very nice. Good form, good technique.
Big breath in.
Ooh. She just went nuts into the whole spine. Cool. Good. Good technique, good form. Okay, he just... Ooh. Ooh. This guy's... Ooh, these are not adjustments. Ooh. Oh man, this guy's just like stretched him. He's pulling, he's pushing. Oh, he just like ripped the guy's neck, ripped his elbow. Oh my god. Ooh, over his knees? Oh. Is he on his chest? Oh no. This is weird. Why are you using your feet, man? This is all clickbait. People to get like... Ooh, ankle adjustments. Rotational adjustments. This guy is too aggressive. I don't know. Let's see what he's gonna do. Ooh, this guy looks like he is in pain. All right. This guy's breathing hard. He's gonna slide him on the chair. Okay. Greenville, South Carolina. Man, this guy is like rigid. He is like, head is up, legs are up. He cannot lay flat. Oh man, I feel bad for this guy. He must have a hard time sleeping too. Oh man, he's pushing his leg. He's like, wow, this is wild. And they didn't show like the outcomes, but I hope that guy gets better.